Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your device on the iOS 18.1. This is so weird, but it actually works, guys, using the unc0ver jailbreak. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we have the unc0ver jailbreak app installed, and we can actually jailbreak our device. So if you guys are someone that needs the iOS 18.1 jailbreak, keep watching the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So as you can see, we can jailbreak our device right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And I've also got Cydia right here just to show you guys. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. So it's really easy, actually. Just go to this site right here and type in unc0ver. And as you can see, it should come right up. So just press on it and then press this button, and this will start downloading it. I've already downloaded it though, so I'm not going to download it again, but be sure to try this out for yourself because it is super insane and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's how you get it. It's pretty cool. So if you guys are poor or something and you need to get like some modded game or something, you know, there's lots of weird, just strange things you can do when your device is jailbroken that you could never do on the normal iOS. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and I mean, if you're someone that's like, maybe you want to customize your device, but you don't want to buy an Android phone, you can just jailbreak your device, and you will be super different experience. So yeah, as you can see, this is unc0ver app, and that's what will download when you're done with the download on hex mods. So pretty cool. Definitely go ahead and give this one a try, guys, because it is super crazy. I mean, I've looked into this stuff for years. I've been on the hunt, and I've never found anything remotely as good as unc0ver for my jailbreaking needs. So yeah, this is super cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, I mean, if you want to jailbreak your device, this is the go-to tutorial, my dudes. I mean, just get the word out, to be honest. Like, we need to educate young folk because they all think that you need a computer to jailbreak. I'm just going to hit you with some hard facts right now. You don't need a computer. So yeah, be sure to try us out. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. Totally works.